Hello, little friends. Welcome back to your favorite channel, Toddlers TV. Yay!
Wow! We're going on a super-duper honky adventure to meet many amazing vehicles. So, say ready, steady, and poo!
We are going to learn these many vehicles' names. So, let's get started.
Toot toot, I'm Buzzy, the bus driver. This is a bus. B-U-S. Bus. A bus is bigger than a car and carries many people. Buses are used for school trips and city travel. It travels on roads and stops at bus stations. Perfect! Say it loud with me. Bus. Kids, what sound does a bus make? Do you know? Listen.
Beep beep! Hi kids! I'm BP, the car mechanic. This is a car. C-A-R. Car. Cars drive on roads and take people to school, shops, or the park. A car helps families travel quickly on the road. Yes, that's right. Now say it with me. Car. Little kids, do you know how does a car sound? Listen.
Rumble, rumble. Hello, little kids. I'm Tom, the truck mechanic. This is a truck. T-R-U-C-K. Truck. A truck is a large vehicle used to carry goods like boxes, food, and sometimes even teddy bears. Trucks are very strong and travel on highways and roads. Awesome! Now say it with me. Truck. Do you know how a truck sounds? Listen.
Ring, ring. I'm Bella, the bicycle owner. This is a bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Bicycle! A bicycle has 2 wheels and is powered by pedals. People ride it for fun or short travel. It is healthy and eco-friendly. Yes! Now let's shout together. Bicycle! What sound does a bicycle make? Can you hear this bell?
Choo choo! I'm Chuggy, the train passenger. This is a train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. A train runs on tracks and carries many people, goods, far away. It travels long distances quickly. Trains have many carriages linked together. Great job, little kids! Now say it together. Train. What sound does a train make? Listen.
Vroom, vroom. Hi, little kids. I'm Max, the motorcyclist. This is a motorcycle. M-O-T-O-R-C-Y-C-L-E. Motorcycle. A motorcycle is a 2-wheeler vehicle. It is small, shiny, fast, and fun to ride. Only a few people can ride it at a time. Yay! Now say it with me. Motorcycle. How does motorcycle sound? Do you know it? Listen.
Hi, little stars. I'm MJ, the rickshaw driver. This is an auto rickshaw. AUTORICKSHAW, auto rickshaw. An auto rickshaw is a small three-wheeled vehicle. It carries a few people from one place to another. Auto rickshaws are common in cities and towns. Yeah! Can you say loud with me? Auto rickshaw. Now, what sound does an auto rickshaw make? Listen, eh?
Splash, splash! Hi, little kids. I'm Alex, the sailor. This is a boat. B-O-A-T. Boat! A boat floats on water and carries people. It is used in rivers, lakes, and seas. Boats can be small or medium-sized. Great! Now let's say it. Boat! What sound does a boat make? Listen it.
Whoosh! Whoo! Hi, little stars. I'm Nat, the pilot. This is a big airplane. A-I-R-P-L-A-N-E. Airplane. An airplane flies high in the sky. It can carry many people or goods to faraway places. Airplane has big wings and travel long distances quickly. Awesome! Now let's say it together. Airplane. Guess. How does an airplane make a sound? Listen.
Meep-aw. Hello, little stars. I'm Freddy, the fire truck driver. This is a fire truck. F-I-R-E-T-R-U-C-K. Fire truck. A fire truck helps firefighters put out fires. It carries water, ladders, and tools. Firefighters reach the fire quickly using it. Yay! Now let's say it together. Fire truck. What sound does a fire truck make? Listen it.
Wee woo! Wee woo! Hello, kids. I'm Tim, the ambulance driver. This is an ambulance. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E. Ambulance. An ambulance takes sick people to the hospital quickly. It has medical equipment and a stretcher. Doctors and nurses help patients in it. Perfect. Now, let's say it loud. Ambulance. Listen what an ambulance makes sound.
Hi, little stars. I'm Steve, the captain. This is a big ship. S-H-I-P, ship. A ship is a very big vehicle that floats on the sea. It carries many people and lots of goods. Ships travel long distances across oceans. Great, little kids, say it with me, ship. Now, what sound does a ship make? Listen it.
Hooray, little friends! We met with many amazing vehicles today. Can you remember your favorite one? Was it the car, the train, or maybe the fire truck? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more fun video. Till then, Toddles!